Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing backup projects and virtualims because once removed you may lose config. Next, close PyCharm and kill any running Python processes, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor. Then identify installed Python interpreters and write down packages with pip freeze requirements. TXD so you can reinstall selectively later. Once done with this quick inventory, proceed to the OS-specific removal steps. Make sure you know which Python version is default versus user-installed, because that distinction matters for system stability. You now perform the removal. On Windows, use Settings apps to uninstall PyCharm and each Python entry, then delete leftover program files and user app data entries. On Mac OS, drag PyCharm from /applications to trash, run brew uninstall Python, or manually remove /library/frameworks/Python. Framework and related symlinks. On Linux, run sudo apt remove Python x, y, and snap or tarball removal for PyCharm, also delete /. Local /share /jetbrains and /. Config /pit. You finish by cleaning residual files. Edit environment variables, remove path entries pointing to deleted installs, and delete leftover caches in user folders. Then restart your shell or the machine. If you plan to reinstall, restore your backup settings and recreate virtualims, then pip install R requirements. TXD. If something goes wrong, check for leftover files, permission errors, or broken symlinks, remove them and rerun the installer. If problems persist, reinstall using the official installer to repair corrupted registrations, and then reapply your saved settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.